Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Astro Debanvita, and today in this video I came with a new topic in Vedic astrology or occult science, and this topic is all about crystals in Vedic astrology or any kind of occult science which are precious items used for remedy purpose. So before beginning with this video, I would like to tell you all that if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then kindly subscribe my channel by clicking the red bell icon below. Thank you. So what are crystals? Crystals are generally used in Vedic astrology or any kind of occult science subjects. They are specifically given for remedies to wear, and apart from that there are various kinds of crystal as well which are also used for fortune telling, and also many kind of like things storing your ideas, thoughts. You can store them, and for programmability it is also used in occult science. So what are crystal? The word crystal, as we know, depicts a very clear and white object, and also which is very beautiful in nature as well. So it is used for various useful purpose in remedies. So I will tell you in this video 3 special techniques through which you could clean the crystals in general and purify it as well. So as we know that crystal generally passes from hand to hand, and through that process sometimes it gets contaminated through some kind of negative vibes and energies as well. So to clean those crystals there are 3 processes. So the first process is you can clean it through whole common and ungrounded salt as well. So how can you clean a crystal through whole common salt? So first of all you need to take a glass of water or a cup of water in any china or porcelain glass or cup, and in that you have to mix 1/8 quantity of whole ungrounded salt. Okay, so in that salt you have to dip and immerse that negative crystal which has been used for a long time for 24 hours or overnight, and in the morning you have to take out that crystal and wash it in tap water as well. This is the first process through which you can clean the crystal. The second process is through any kind of incense stick or smoke. Okay, so you should keep that crystal at any clean place, that negative or contaminated crystal, and you should light a incense stick and hold it in front of the crystal so that the fumes pass through the crystal, keeping an intention that the negative energies are getting cleansed through the fumes of the incense sticks. This is the second process. And what is the third process? The third process you can clean a crystal is through meditation. So you have to keep that particular crystal in a stool which is somehow 1 foot or 1.5 foot tall in front of you, and you have to sit in front of the stool. आपको उस स्टूल के सामने बैठना चाहिए. बैठकर सपोज 10 मिनट्स तक आपको आइज़ क्लोज करके मेडिटेट करते रहना चाहिए, ये इंटेंशन रख के कि आपका ये मेडिटेशन का एनर्जी वो क्रिस्टल को क्लीन करते जा रहा है. तो ऐसे ही आप उस क्रिस्टल को क्लीन कर सकते हैं अपने मेडिटेशन के एनर्जी के थ्रू से. तो अगर आप लोगों को एनर्जी मेडिटेशन का इस जो 10 मिनट्स का जो टाइमर भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, अगर आप यूज़ नहीं है टाइम देखने के लिए, टाइम सेटअप करने के लिए, या तो फिर किसी को भी बोल सकते हैं 10 मिनट्स होने के बाद आपको मतलब आपको मेडिटेशन स्टॉप कर देने के लिए। तो ऐसे ही आप लोग जो क्रिस्टल, वैल्यूएबल क्रिस्टल है, वो अगर किसी भी वजह से यूज़ करते करते नेगेटिव हो जाए, नेगेटिव एनर्जी से कॉन्टामिनेटेड हो जाए, तो आप लोग उसे इस तीनों प्रोसेस से क्लीन भी कर सकते हैं। तो मैं इस वीडियो के एंड में आई हूँ। मैं फिर से आऊँगी एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो को लेकर फर्दर। सो थैंक यू, नमस्ते।